Hey, it's Katie bringing you today's deal on the Power Stand Charging Bank. Now this really nice looking stand is going to allow you to display your smart device and charge it at the same time. This stand features 5,000 mAh of power. That means it's strong enough to power up your phones, your e-readers, and even your tablets. Using this is super simple. You're just going to want to make sure that you completely charge it up with the included micro USB cord, and you're going to know that it's fully charged by the 4 blue LED light indicators. Then you're going to want to use your own power cord to go ahead and charge up your smart device. Now what's really cool about this is that you can adjust the height, and it has a silicone mat on it, so it's going to protect your device from slipping and falling. This also features a weighted base and rubber feet to add a little extra stability. You're also able to place your device on here vertically or horizontally. But what I absolutely love about this is that it folds up and it's compact enough to bring with you anywhere on the go. You could use it in meetings, you can watch movies with it, or if you're cooking, you can have it on your counter so you can read the recipes. We have such a great deal on these, you're gonna wanna grab more than one. So pick one up for your home, pick one up for the office, and remember, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to our site and grab yours today.